Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, a comprehensive guide to the OS module in Python. Introduction. The OS module in Python provides a way to interact with the operating system. It offers a wide range of functionality to perform tasks related to file and directory manipulation, process management, and more. In this tutorial, we'll explore the key features of the OS module along with practical examples. Importing the OS module. To start using the OS module, you need to import it in your Python script or interactive session. Working with files and directories. A. Getting the current working directory. B. Changing the current working directory. C. Listing files and directories. D. Creating a directory. E. Renaming a file or directory. F. Removing a file or directory. Path manipulation. A. Joining paths. B. Getting the absolute path. File information. A. Getting file size. B. Getting file modification time. Executing system commands. Conclusion. The OS module in Python is a powerful tool for interacting with the operating system. Whether you're working with files, directories, or system commands, this module provides a wide range of functions to simplify your tasks. Experiment with the examples provided to gain a better understanding of how to leverage the OS module in your Python projects. ChatGPT.